Welcome to Wescott, Midlothian's award-winning community where comfort, connection, and convenience come together. Located in Midlothian, Virginia, these low-maintenance, one-level condos are designed to make everyday living simple and enjoyable. With up to 3 bedrooms, open-concept layouts, and kitchens any chef would love, you'll feel right at home the moment you walk in. Life here isn't just about your home. It's about connection and community. From the Connexion Clubhouse to the community amphitheater, Wescott is built for neighbors to come together and enjoy everything this community has to offer. Need to run errands? Well, you'll be close to everything you need. Grab a quick coffee at Dash Inn or stock up on groceries at BJ's Wholesale or Aldi. If you're looking for fun, this area is full of entertainment and shopping. In fact, Target, Fresh Market, Commonwealth 20 Cinema, and Uptown Alley are all right nearby. If you're looking to stay active, American Family Fitness is nearby, or if you prefer the long game, you can hit the links at Brandon Mill Country Club. Getting around is easy too, with quick access to Route 288 and Hull Street Road for stress-free commuting. Condos, convenience, and community, Wescott has it all. Visit us at HHHunthomes.com to learn more or schedule a tour, because it's how you live that matters.